What's up folks, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to unbox a new gift from Facebook Hackathon. Actually the first hackathon that I have ever participated. So I have got it from the nearby post office. They give me a call, so I bought it at home. So now I'm gonna unbox it. So let me read it first. It's saying that it's from Belgium and it's sent to me. So it's actually a box, so let me unbox it. Yeah, just a stapler. So it's also sealed. Let me just remove this tape. Let me just tear it. So you can see it was very protection. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's from Facebook. Yeah, you can see this. It's a diary, and I guess something else is on the packet. uh, Maybe I can see it. So yeah, there is another thing. Here's some sticker from Facebook, hashtag build with Facebook. So these are the gifts. I think the gifts may vary in different regions, so I got these. Thank you Facebook for giving me this swag. Wait for the next video.